Hey everybody, it's Beth. I grabbed this wooden Christmas tree from Hobby Lobby. I removed the stand from it and then taped off that bottom part of the stem. I am then painting the entire top part of the tree with moss color chalk paint, giving that one coat and drying it completely. Once that's dry, I'm taking this Folkart medium Crackle and covering the entire tree with that as well. Once you have that applied on there, you want to dry that completely. After I have that all the way dry, I am applying a generous layer of vintage white acrylic paint, and that's also by Folkart. And you can already tell that as soon as you apply the layer, the crackle effect already starts before it's even completely dry. Once I have that completely painted with the white, I use my heating tool to dry it the rest of the way to finish the crackle effect. And this is the first time using this product, and I really like how it turned out. It's a lot better than using the glue. So I just do that the rest of the way, covering the entire tree. And then I take the tape off and I use Antique Wax by Waverly. Just brush that on the stem as well as the stand. I brush that on and then use a baby wipe to blend it in and wipe off any excess wax. Next, I'm taking these rusty bells, 2 different sizes that I get from Amazon. I tie some twine to one of them and then put the other bell on there and hold it along the top of the tree to see where I need it to hang down, and then tie off that other bell, cutting off the excess. And to make sure those don't come untied, I just brush on some Mod Podge right on the knots and then dry those. Next, I have this little bow. I don't remember where I got it. It looks like I pulled it off of something. I then hot glue the bells to that, the twine from the bells, onto the back of that, and then hot glue the bow on top of the tree. And then add some hot glue onto the stand where those holes are, and then place the tree back in. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.